In this tutorial, I will clean some data using some basic data cleaning formulas, and the steps which I did on the first sheet will be copied to other sheets as well by using macro. So in here we are having a sales Excel. As you can see, there are 3 sheets: Jan, Feb and March. In the Jan sheet, the date formats are not correct. There is first name and last name. We need to get these 2 names as a single name. And in the product, there are some spaces and the cases are not correct. And in the quantity column, the values are in a percentage format. In payment column, there are spaces in the beginning and also spaces in between. In the price column, the numbers are not in a dollar format. So we need to clean this data, and the same steps will be applied to Feb and March as well with a single click. First of all, the actions will be recorded and it will be done using macro. For that, we will go to developer tab. For getting the developer tab, right click here, customize the ribbon, then click on the developer, then click OK. Then for recording the actions, click on the record macro. The macros will start recording. Before that, we need to give a name, data cleaning. Okay. From here onwards, the recording will be started. We'll copy the heading. So for the dates, I will copy the dates from here. We'll change the formats to this format. Now I need to combine the first name and last name to get a full name. Change the heading to full name. Delete the column last name equal to first name and last name. I need to get a space in between the John Smith. For that, we'll edit the formula. Double quotes, space, double quotes, and Control D. For the product column, I need to remove the spaces in between and the middle. So for that, I am using a formula trim. Select the cell, enter. To make the cases proper. So for that, the formula is this. Control D. For the quantity, I need to get rid of the percentages and change it to general format. And the payment method, we'll use the trim formula to remove the spaces. Then for the price, it should be, everything should be in a dollar format. Click on the dollar, align. Now we need to add a graph. So for that, I will get a unique values of the cash, online transfer and the credit card. The formula which I am using is unique. Unique, then select the array. Now I got the unique values of this column. For getting the sum of these unique values, we can use formula SUMIF equal to SUMIF range. Which range I need to select? The range will be this one, comma, criteria will be cash, comma, the sum range will be this one. Close the bracket, enter. I will do the absolute reference here for the column M and also for the column N, enter. Control D. So we get the total for the cash, credit card and the online transfer. Now we can add the graph as well. Go to insert, click on the column. I will change the design. Now everything is done. Clean the data and added a graph as well. I will stop the recording. And also we need to copy the same to these 2 sheets as well. So for that, we will save this Excel, save as, browse. In the same folder, I will save this Excel as macro enabled workbook. Save. Now we can do the same steps in these 2 sheets with a single click or running the macro. So go to the February sheet, then go to developer, then macros, select the macro, run. Same steps has been applied in the March sheet. Then go to developer, then macros, run. Same steps has been applied in the March as well. This is how we can do simple data cleaning with macro.